Good morning. This is Greg Kaiser at the Pocatello National Weather Service office with the Southeast Idaho weather hazard briefing for Wednesday, April 24th. First thing we'll look at is the water vapor satellite imagery loop. Again, the main feature out here is a big trough out in the Pacific Ocean. And we're going to be watching this as it pushes east for the next couple days. Right now we have a bit of moisture working through eastern Idaho, and we will see the threat for isolated showers and thunderstorms with this moisture, mainly in the eastern highlands today. And we'll have a few more systems work through Thursday and Friday. Right now, nothing on radar. Most of the precipitation up in Montana. Again, we'll start to see some showers develop later on this afternoon. As I mentioned, we have a frontal system pushing through today. It will provide some breezy conditions and also some rain showers, isolated thunderstorms, mainly in the extreme east towards the Wyoming border, generally looking DuBois Island Park area south through Driggs and into the Utah borders, where most of the activity is expected today. As I said, we will have some breezy conditions. Wind gusts expected to be in the 30 to 35 mile per hour range, mainly across the Snake River Plain, eastern Magic Valley. Some higher gusts over the Arco Desert as well. And those gusts will continue mainly through this afternoon into early evening. Again, 30 to 40 mile per hour gusts are expected across, again, mainly the Snake River Plain today. Tomorrow, we're going to have another system push through, mainly into the south. A cold front will move through late tomorrow night, Friday morning. We're going to see showers tomorrow, isolated thunderstorms, mainly in the southern border areas towards the Utah border. And that area will push north overnight tomorrow night into Friday, where we again expect showers and isolated thunderstorms across much of the region through Thursday night. And the big impact over the next 3 days, we are expecting very strong winds Friday behind this frontal system. Initially, we are expecting widespread 35 to 50 mile per hour gusts Friday afternoon. Again, focusing mainly on the Snake River Plain and southern mountain areas as we go through the day on Friday. So, again, expecting very windy conditions Friday afternoon. Again, possibly some blowing dust if it dries out enough through the day. So, could be some impacts felt from the wind on Friday. As far as any thunderstorms, just general thunderstorms, eastern highlands today, and again focusing on the southern areas Thursday, and then with and behind the front again, isolated thunderstorms, fairly widespread across southeast Idaho on Friday. It is going to be warm through the period. High temperatures today well above normal, upper 60s to low 70s, Snake River Plain, mid 50s to mid 60s in the mountains. And fairly similar Thursday, upper 60s to low 70s, Snake River Plain, 50s to mid 60s mountains, and that trend will continue into Friday. And even behind the cold front, not getting extremely cool. A bit of a drop on Saturday. Temperatures still above normal, but more in the 60s in the Snake River Plain and 50s in the mountains. Again, I don't have any pictures today, but with these warm temperatures, we do have the continual hydrologic statements out. The flood warning still in effect for the Portneuf River at Pocatello and the advisory for the Big Wood River at Haley. And again, the Big Wood could reach minor flood stage at the latter part of the week into the weekend, getting very close to that. And again, many of the Snake River and Blackfoot River basin or rivers are close to full at action stage. So again, expect mainly minor flooding right now through the rest of the week into the weekend. Looking at the extreme long range 1 to 2 weeks as we get into the first week of May, all the models are now indicating a trend towards getting towards cooler than normal temperatures, a better chance of that as we get into early next week, and also trending towards above normal precipitation. So if that occurs, again, the cooler temperatures may mitigate some of the flooding concerns. But again, we are into the season where the melting will be continual now. So we will be watching all the rivers very closely for the next several weeks. That will conclude today's briefing. If you have any questions, contact us at the number listed here 24 hours a day, or go to our website listed at the bottom. Thank you very much and have a nice day.